In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Google Docs inside the doc itself. This feature can be incredibly useful for collaborating in real time and ensuring that everyone is on the same page without the need to switch between different apps for communication. Let's dive right into the process. First off, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to your Gmail account to verify that you are logged in with the correct credentials. This is essential as Google Docs and other services are seamlessly integrated through your Google account. Next, navigate to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, find and click on the New button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will allow you to either create a new document or upload an existing file. Since our goal today is to engage in a live chat within a Google Doc, choose Google Docs from the drop-down menu to open a new document. With your new Google Doc open, you're ready to set it up for chatting. Imagine you're working on a document and you need input from a colleague or partner. Rather than bouncing back and forth between various applications to discuss your document, you can keep all communication within the Google Doc itself. The next crucial step is to click on the Share button located at the upper right corner of your document. This opens up options for sharing the document with others. You'll need to add the people you wish to collaborate with by entering their email addresses. This ensures that everyone involved has access to the document and thus the chat. Once you've entered their email addresses, check that the document's access settings are correctly adjusted. Change the general access to anyone with the link if you want to make it easier for others to join in, especially if the participants are outside your immediate network. With these settings done, you're all set. You and your team can now chat within the document itself. Keep in mind, however, that the chat feature in Google Docs functions as a group chat. There is no option for private messages, meaning whatever you type will be visible to all members of the document. Additionally, if there are any messages sent while you're away or focus on a different part of the document, you'll see message notifications at the top of the screen. This way, you won't miss any important input while working collaboratively. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to chat in Google Docs, facilitating smoother collaboration and saving you time. That's all for today. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do and that it enhances your productivity while working in Google Docs. Thanks for watching and see you next time.